Hi, welcome to Yacht Grot Video Boat Sales. This tour is on the inside of the Buetzfleth 48. This is the second part in a two-part video. Just going into the wheelhouse and the helm. All your electronics you can see in front of you. VHF, echo sounder, radar, built-in hi-fi system, hydraulic steering and electronic throttle and gearbox. Underneath the seats here is the life raft and all the safety equipment, life jackets, so on. There's ample seating up here for about 6 to 8 people. I'll show you the windows and everything in a minute once I take the curtains down. These are the ultraviolet curtains, non-permanent. The ones in the Salon are permanent and drawable. Here's the EPIRB, and underneath the seating here, the life raft where there's a rack on the deck, and all the life jackets are underneath the other locker with some other safety equipment, horns and flares and so on. You must remember the whole of this floor in the helm actually comes up. You can see the beading by my feet there, and this allows direct access into the engine room. Now we'll take a look down towards the salon, but first I'll just quickly show you the VHF. It's a new one by Marina. And this boat's got a 6.5 kVA generator. Here's the control panel for it. And here's with the curtains down. Now we'll go down into the salon. There's ample seating in here for 12 people. The table actually extends out so you can all eat at the table. Quite easily get 12 people around there. There's a couple of fridges built in, TV and DVD with antenna on top of the roof, sorry. Nice little porto for the feature with a mirror built in. There's one of the fridges, the other one's in a cupboard, and here's one of the main electric boards, 24 volt, with your isolator, very neat and tidy. Now you're able to see all the glasses and crockery. And there's more crockery in the actual kitchen. These lights are swiveled. Very nice layout. And here's the other fridge. Now we'll go into the galley. It's an electric stove on this, but can easily be changed for a gas. But a gas locker would have to be made. Again, hot running water. See the little boiler there. Ample cupboard space on top and below. And a few power points. Now the forward head here is a wet room, so all the water actually drains out. Shower pipes you can see to the right, and the forward head is a manual pump. The aft head is electronic pump. Now this forward cabin can be either 3 single berths or a double berth and a single. You can see the single on top there, or the central piece can be taken out to create 2 single berths. And there's a forward storage locker and some lockers underneath. Now we'll take a trip up towards the helm again, just a quick last look at the Salon as we go through. So you have the forward staircase that comes to the front of the boat, and then there's an aft staircase that goes down to the main cabin, and there's also a small double in the aft as well. Sleeps comfortably 7 to 8 people without using the Salon or the helm seating. This is the small double at the back here. Quite sizable. Now we'll go into the main cabin. Little bit dark in here as there is no deck hatches. There's seating above it on the stern of the boat, and in my opinion there could be a very sizable wardrobe put in here. Quite a lot of wasted space, but very large room, as you can see. Cupboards all underneath the beds and in the walls there, but there is no hanging cupboards. Now we'll just go through into the aft head. This one has an electric toilet, a small bath with shower. Again, it's a wet room, so all the water in here just drains. You can see the flooring there for the drainage. And now we'll go through to the engine room. These engines are running absolutely sweet. They've had, this engine's had new exhaust and new injectors and the pump all tested, as it was smoking before, but it's absolutely running perfect now. It's had all new batteries. There's four starting batteries creating 220 amp hour per engine, and there's also 2 house batteries and an auxiliary battery for the generator. Both engines absolutely fantastic. There's the new exhaust, very well insulated, and just over the side of that engine is the generator. It's very hard for me to get in there and film it. Again, the battery boxes on the other side of this engine. You can see the new injectors there. Again, when this boat is running, it is very quiet. The insulation on this engine room is superb. Again, cruising speed around 12 to 14 knots, maximum speed just over 18. The prop system is water cooled. Good lighting, plenty of room to work if you ever have to. Very clean and tidy. Now we'll go back up towards the bridge and the helm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Any further information you need will be on the listing, or you can contact us at the email address shown here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.